Exercise number 13.1, question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. So here this is saying that a capsule, this is a capsule, medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder. This is a cylinder part of the capsule. At the end of the capsule there are two hemispheres. This one, this first, and this is second. There are two hemispheres. So in the middle there is a cylindrical part, at the end there is a spherical part. So we have to find the total. So here the length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. So here they are saying that this whole length of a capsule is 14 millimeter. 14 millimeter. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. They are talking about this diameter. This diameter is 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. Now if diameter is 5 millimeter, so radius is automatically will be 2.5 millimeter. Will definitely gonna be 2.5 millimeter. And the radius of this hemisphere will also be 2.5 millimeter. So if we subtract 14 millimeter, so if we subtract 2.5 millimeter from 14 millimeter, we will get 9 millimeter. So if I find the curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of this hemisphere, and curved surface area of this hemisphere, if I plus all the curved surface area of these three figures, I will get the surface area of the whole medicine capsule. So let us do the question. So length of the capsule is 9 millimeter. Length of the capsule is 14 millimeter. Length of the cylinder is equal to 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5, that is equal to 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter. Now curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RL, and we know the radius 22. 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by L, that is 9. Now here it comes. Now here this will be for 44 2.5 44 2.5 44 55 multiplied by 2 110 multiplied by 9 upon 7, that will be 997 millimeter का square. Now we will find the surface area of the two hemispheres which are at the end of the capsule. So radius of the capsule, radius of the hemisphere, radius of the hemisphere is equal to 2.5 millimeter. So curved surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r का square. So curved surface area of two hemisphere, क्योंकि दो है ना, क्योंकि दो हैं इसलिए हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2 से. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 पाई आर का स्क्वायर. सो हेयर दिस विल बिकम 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22/7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2.5. दिस विल बिकम 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, this will become 55 multiply by 55, this will become 55 to 10 by 7, it will become 550/7 millimeter का square. So surface area of capsule, surface area of capsule is equal to surface area of cylinder plus surface area of two hemisphere. (990/7 plus 550/7), this will become 1540/7, and after cutting this will become 220 millimeter का square.